How to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on Android. So if you want to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your navigation upper control center and tap on the airplane mode. Turn on the airplane mode. Once you turn on the airplane mode, you just need to simply wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. Now once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and you may find an option of network and internet. Tap on it and then tap on SIM card and mobile network and tap on the SIM that you are using. And after that, go with preferred network type and select 2G. And after that, wait for a few seconds and then again go with preferred network type and select 4G. And your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that you've enabled the SIM card. So you need to simply go with the settings, network and internet, SIM card and mobile network, and here if you go with the SIM that you're using, and here on the upper side you will have enable option. If you've enabled, then you will be able to use your SIM, but if it's not enabled, then your SIM won't work. You won't have any services. So make sure it's enabled, and after that go back, and now under your settings you just need to simply search for reset. Once you search, you will get reset options and you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it and you need to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Once you've reset your settings, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.